How you all doing? I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what I did in Weavy and how I came up with this workflow. So pretty much you head into Weavy's interface and you drop in a prompt node. I started out with a very basic prompt and then I ran it through a large language model and then I got my base image. Once I did that, you can see that I used a crop node just to crop the different angles that I wanted. I removed the background using SD background remover. And once I had done that, I changed the pose, dropped it into a compositor node. Using the compositor node, I used it to create my layout. And once I had done that, it's into a video. So here you can see how easy it is to move around and adjust your layouts. And then I dropped it into seed-ons, again using a basic prompt with the prompt enhancer. Yeah, that was pretty much that. I hope you enjoy. Stick around and watch the final video.